Guys, about the Cantor injury law, and you know what I'm going to say. I'll try to say it in a little bit different way. I'll just follow my sword. Look, I'm a pretty smart guy. I did really well in law school, but I'm very immature now for 57. I'm probably about 38. And when I was 25, 26, 30, I was about 14. And so that is why you shouldn't have used me when I was a plaintiff's attorney. I was smart enough. I was just too worried about going to happy hour, hitting on girls at a bar, whatever. You can leave hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table by using the wrong plaintiff's attorney. Mark Cantor is a grown-ass man. He is very mature. He is an A-type, alpha, hustling, hard-fighting, who scares the hell out of defense attorneys because I know them. That's what you want. That's who you want representing you if you or someone in your family has been injured. Reach out to them at 314-628-9999. That's 314-628-all-nines. The choice of a lawyer is an important decision and should not be based solely upon advertising. There are, my goodness, thousands of plaintiffs' attorneys out there. There are hundreds that advertise to one degree or another, and I'm sure you could name some of the top ones that you see. I'm here to tell you that advertising does not equal ability. And for me, like a couple of the law firms out there who seem to want to do what I do for a living, they want to entertain, they want to do cooking shows. Like, okay, I don't want someone who's doing a cooking show handling my very serious matter. I could talk for the next 4 hours about people who have been screwed over by bad plaintiffs' attorneys and plaintiffs' attorneys who just wanted to be stars and not be attorneys. Mark Cantor doesn't want to do a cooking show. He doesn't want to see his face up on a billboard doing something goofy. He wants to go to court every day. He wants to represent people who have been wrongfully injured. He wants to get them restitution. He's a real attorney. He's a real trial attorney, as are all of his associates and partners. 314-628-9999. Be very careful because there are a gazillion plaintiffs' attorneys out there. I used to be one of them, and I would have told you with my whopping 5 years of experience that I was good as anyone out there. And I was not. I could handle a case, but I could not handle a case the way that the people who were on top and number one back then could. A 5-year, 10-year person simply cannot do what Mark Cantor can do. He hires his associates and picks his partners based on similar values. Mark went into this because he really has a heart for it, not just it's a way to make a whole bunch of money. So if you've been injured, someone you work with has been injured, someone who you care about, they'll come to you if you can't come to them. They are deadly serious lawyers. They are fully respected and feared by the defense bar. 314-628-9999, 628-all-nines, 9999. I can't wait until Cantor gets this. He's like, who's that idiot that keeps interrupting Glover? Well, there's Dave Murray, and there's the Lawyers Weekly that I used to love reading when I was a lawyer because the real cool, sexy part of it is they'll say, this case settled for this much money, and this lawyer went and took this case to trial on these facts and won this much money. And it's really, really helpful when you get a case in, like, say, for example, the lady that spilled the coffee on her lap at McDonald's. Well, what's that worth? You have no idea. And then in Lawyers Weekly, they'll say, well, here's what it was worth to this insurance company, and here's what it was worth to a jury in St. Louis County. Mark Cantor is all over that publication. If there's a big jury verdict or a big settlement, there's every chance in the world. It was a lawyer from Cantor Injury Law. The game that these, I call them pretend lawyers, the guys that just want to be ass clowns, and do what I do for a living, that they just settle cases on the cheap, or they send them to real lawyers like Mark. So cut out the middleman, go straight to the trial attorney in St. Louis. That's Mark Cantor, 314-628-9999. Guys, about the Cantor injury law, and you know what I'm going to say. I'll try to say it in a little bit different way. I'll just follow my sword. Look, I'm a pretty smart guy. I did really well in law school, but I'm very immature now for 57. I'm probably about 38. And when I was 25, 26, 30, I was about 14. And so that is why you